Got an Arm & Hammer pack right there. I'm gonna do a little fun bubble. I know this is one of these stick things that we're supposed to do that with the clothes. Like a little plunger. Add a little bit more. It does get tiring after a while, but I mean, if this is all you can afford. Anything I buy, though, is seriously better than my washer, because I don't get this much agitation unless I do like a super small load and let it fill up to like it's normal, with extra water. To cause it to go up and down. This is what this looks like underneath. I have to just sock it in. Where's that white sock? This. Oh, I forgot. Not too shabby on the water. I mean, it is a little bit gray, but I don't know if that's because all the detergents. But I'm gonna try to save this water because I have these to do. Using the same water, we're going to do the towels. I should use a little bit more water for the towels because they are bulky. Bulky! Add some more to the towels. Same water, just add some more. My daughter's giving it a go. Is it a workout?
Yes.
The thoughts I did is we'll go ahead and wring them out so we can put them in the rinse. Alright, time to wring out these towels. So we can just wring it enough just to transfer it from here to the sink. Hopefully, I don't know. One. I wish I had an inside wringer.
Towels.
And my, yeah.
Some dirty towels.
Dirty towels. Ooh, there's a white one with your wet clothes.
No, I have one.
Well, my daughter's getting set up for her wash. She's gonna try out she's gonna pick and choose her own detergents to put in the bucket. She's gonna do some whites and some colors, right? I always put this thing on hot. Way too much detergent, but it was fun looking at it. And then we'll go put them in the washer on the rinse and spin and see if I need to do another rinse. You want to use that. Lexi, do you get cold water? I know you filled up the bucket outside. Oh, maybe you could come here. I would have stopped. I just need to get those and put them in the washer to do a rinse. While I'm doing that, you can pick out your detergents that you want to use. Love it.
Okay.